Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. My returning, thank you and God bless you. As you can see, today we are going to be making mango juice. As we all know, mango juice have a lot of benefits. I'm going to be making a homemade mango juice this afternoon. So a lot of benefit is on it. Mango juice is rich in vitamin, mineral, and oxygen, and has been sourced with many health benefits, including protein and fat, as well as improved immune system, eye, skin, and healthy. Best of all, it is tasty and easy to add to your daily part of smooth and other dailies. Okay, this is the benefit of mango juice. So now we have to get into the video. Let's get into the video and start making this mango juice. Okay guys, first of all, we have to, I've already washed it. As you can see, the mango juice is already washed. Continue washing, guys. When you drink this, every time your skin will continue glowing, guys. As this summer is coming now, this is what I always use all the time, you know. I always make it for my kids. As you can see, the previous video I made with ananas, which is pineapple. Also, if you have not watched that video, go and watch that video. It's really nice to make. The homemade is always the best. They have a lot of benefits. And you will keep your skin glowing, guys. Okay? They have a lot of benefits on it. So now we start putting it in the blender. Continue washing, guys. We're about to finish cutting it. Okay guys, I will be adding, as you can see, my block. I will be adding it to make it fresh, you know. I love drinking it when it's fresh. I will be putting it inside now to blend it together. Okay. So let's get into the video and start blending it. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already finished blending the mango. Sorry for the noise. Just the people that is walking close to my house here. So here it is. Let's filter it. Put it in the glass. Let's see how it came out. I know that it came out very nicely, guys, as you all know. Okay guys, as you all know, I finished just filtering it now. See how it came out. Okay guys, my mango juice is ready, guys. I have to add block because I love when it's fresh, you know. I have to add it inside now. Okay, as you can see, it's already inside. The health benefits of mango juice is very nice, guys. Try to make it for your kids. Anything natural at all is the best. Okay guys, this is the outcoming of my mango juice. Let me have a taste of it, guys. Let me have a taste. Guys, try it. It's very, very nice. As I said it earlier, I have a lot of benefit. Thank you for joining me for today's video. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If there is anything that you want me to make in the next video, leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you guys, and God bless you. See you for my next video. Bye bye.